Hi, I'm meteorologist TJ Del Santo. Quite the storm yesterday with quite the range and snowfall, anywhere between 1 inch and 11 inches. 11 inches, of course, being well inland. Let's take a look at some of the snowfall reports. Burrowville, 11 inches. Chepachet and Gloucester, 10 inches. Scituate, 7.5. West Warwick, 6.3. New Bedford picked up 3 inches of snow. Some areas, especially down near the south coast, only about an inch or so. We have another storm we're tracking. In fact, we've got a high wind watch posted for all of Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, including the islands. Southeasterly winds could be gusting to 50 miles an hour late Tuesday evening and through early Wednesday morning. So another storm that we're tracking. And where is it now? Out here in the middle of the country. It's beginning to wind up, bringing blizzard-like conditions to parts of the Midwest in the Great Plains. And as we go through the daytime on Tuesday, we are looking at early sun to give way to clouds. A lot of clouds for Tuesday, but we're dry through, I think, the daylight hours, but right during the evening commute, we might see a little brief period of snow. And then we'll see some rain developing. And look how that rain becomes heavy at night, especially midnight to about 6 o'clock in the morning. Then it's all out of here, maybe a lingering shower the rest of the day. Let's track those wind gusts taking you through Tuesday. I'm going to stop right here at midnight. Notice already gusting 50 to 55 miles an hour, strongest near the south coast. This is 4 a.m. Look at it, it's gusting to 62 out on Block Island, maybe 66 in Westerly. Most areas, this is the peak time for the winds. Around 4 a.m. Wednesday morning, gusting easily 50 to 65 miles an hour. Obviously, that could cause some power outages, something that you probably should plan for. Wednesday, 7 o'clock in the morning, it's a little lighter, but still some gusty winds turning into the southwest. Let's talk about rainfall. Another problem that we'll be looking ahead to, looking at maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain. That combined with all the snow that we've had and recent rains, and we could be looking at some river stream flooding, maybe some basement flooding as well, street flooding. A good idea to maybe go out and unclog any storm drains that you have in front of your house, as it could be covered in snow, and that could contribute to some street flooding on Wednesday morning. So maybe do it over the next couple of days. So that's what we're tracking. Another impactful storm. It might even be some minor to moderate coastal flooding in and around Narragansett Bay on Wednesday morning, around the time of high tide, which is at 6:30. All right, here's your forecast for today. Upper 30s, seasonably cold, looking at lots of sunshine, bright sunshine. For tonight, lows down to 22, clouds arriving very late in the night. We're dry tonight. And then for tomorrow, looking at mainly cloudy skies, temperatures will be topping out around 40 degrees or so with the clouds thickening up through the day. I think we're dry till about 5, 6, 7 o'clock or so. Then we'll see maybe a brief period of snow, and then we'll see some rain. And of course, we've got that stormy night in the forecast. I think it's mostly gone, the worst of it, by 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning. But yeah, we are looking at some impactful weather Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Power outages, river, street flooding also possible. We're going to have to watch for the potential for some coastal flooding as well. Busy week here in southern New England. Might even be another storm later in the week. We'll talk about it all morning long on 12 News This Morning.